This is the new HOVERair X1, a self-flying camera. Basically, your selfie camera that flies and follows you and going to help you capture amazing moments and videos that you normally can't get with your mobile phone device. And like we always do, I'm going to tell you all about it. Let's get to the video. This was made by 00, co-founded in 2014, and they specialize in using AI technology to make intelligent devices like this. And this is really cool. So this drone, unlike other drones, can be flown with just a simple click on the drone, and anybody at all can use this. Amateurs, professionals, it's literally the best travel buddy or selfie camera that you can ever have. And if you're the type that doesn't like to fidget with controllers and all, trying to specialize in what, this drone eliminates all of that. And as you can see, it's actually very small when close. My iPhone 14 Pro Max is even bigger than this. That is so cool, which means you can carry it anywhere that you like and literally put it in your pocket and won't even realize it's there. Before we talk a little bit more about this, let's see what comes inside the box if you decide to purchase it. You can find a pouch which you can store your drone inside, a Type-C cable for charging, a charging case, and an extra battery, and a beautiful drone. I actually got it in black. You can also get it in white if you like that color. So for the design, this of course is very small, lightweight too. The fully enclosed design makes it safe to launch from your hands and fly worry-free even when there are people around. And you can easily put it in your pocket, and it's lightweight at 125 grams. Even lighter than the iPhone, and even smaller too. And as you realize in the box, there's no dedicated controller. You can download the app and use on your phone to control this and preview your shots if that is something you want to do. The drone has a gimbal which is going to help you get stable shots, and also has some sensors at the bottom which helps the drone to know where it is. For storage, this comes with 33GB of storage on board, so you don't have to worry about SD cards or you left your SD card or anything like that. Record all your footage in here and sync to your phone later. These have 1050 mAh batteries inside and can give you about 11 minutes of flight time continuously. So I advise you always go for the Combo Plus option, where you get 2 batteries so you can use it for almost the whole day depending on the shots that you're going for.
Okay, now we're outside. Let's actually see how this flies. Like I said, this is so easy to operate. All you have to do is just open it up, turn it on, choose the mode that you want. With one single press, your drone is in the air. And to get it back, all you have to do is just put your hand under the drone again, and it comes back to you.
And it comes with 5 different flying modes right on the drone, so you can easily choose. And whilst you choose, this is going to let you know which one you're choosing. You can choose the mode using the second smaller button on top of the power button. And when you find yourself in any mode, you can actually long press it to help you increase the distance. For instance, if you're doing a zoom out or zoom in, this can actually help you take it further away from you. And the maximum flying distance or height for this drone is just 50 meters. So that means this drone can be used for covering aerial shots or all those kind of stuff. That is not what this drone is meant for. You can literally see this drone as your personal selfie camera that literally follows you everywhere that you go and gives you amazing shots. And the shots are pretty good. So for the modes, we have the hover mode, which is going to hover at one particular point, and the sensor is going to follow you anywhere you go whilst the drone stays at one position. For the second one, we have the zoom in and zoom out. This is going to help you capture yourself in a little bit of your environment. This is going to zoom away from you and goes up and also returns in the same flight path. third one is going to be the follow option, which is my favorite. Once it detects the subject in the frame, this is going to follow you everywhere that you go. You can choose a flight time of about 20, 30, or 1 minute, and it's going to do a pretty good job at avoiding obstacles. And I really like this. The next one is going to be the circular mode, which is going to keep you in frame and is going to circle you to get some really, really nice shots. The last but not the least is the bird's eye view. With this drone is going to fly out vertically and the gimbal is going to point downwards to keep you in frame to get some amazing shots. For the last option, you can actually customize this in the application and choose whatever you want it to do. Yes, talking about that, in the application, you get a lot that you can actually do from here. You can connect your drone from the application and sync whatever you shot on this drone onto your phone. It's so cool. And if you want to do a little bit more inside the application, you can actually, after flying the drone for a while, open the manual mode where you can fly the drone kind of like a professional drone all by yourself. But this is definitely limited and you get the best out of this by using the modes. You can even get audio from the drone using your phone as a microphone. So no matter how far the drone is, you can even find yourself talking to it. And the artificial intelligence is going to do an amazing job at syncing the audio. And this is literally the best that you can ever wish for. For video capability, this is able to shoot 2K 30 FPS, 1080 at 60 FPS, and also at 30 FPS with HDR. So this doesn't use GPS, like I said. It doesn't need GPS to take off. It literally uses the sensors beneath the drone to help it land and take off and anything like that. And to launch this, all you have to do is just put it in your palm, press the power button, and it flies off. And when you want it to land, all you have to do is to open your palm again. It notices the gesture and it lands easily in your palm. So what do I really like about this? The fact that it's so small, can literally pack it anywhere that you go. Like I said, you don't have to be a pro to use this. It's totally protected, so you can fly it even with people around, not worrying about hitting anybody. There are no sensors that prevents this from hitting anything, but with the AI in this, it actually does a very good job at preventing stuff and tracking you wherever you go.
Okay, so if you're looking for the best drone, a selfie camera that actually flies with you, and if you travel solo, this is going to be the best drone for you. You don't need anybody to control it. With just the tap of a button, just you get amazing shots. All details about the X1 are going to be in the description. Check it out, and as usual, stay liquid, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace, we out. Hey.